Heparin antidote is protamine sulfate. It is used when quick reversal of the action of heparin is needed, as in case of bleeding or after an open heart surgery. Protamine sulfate is a polypeptide originally derived from salmon sperm, which binds to unfractionated heparin and neutralizes its effect. Protamine sulfate has been widely used to reverse the anticoagulant effects of heparin, especially after open heart surgery. It is also the treatment of choice in case of significant bleeding with heparin. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. It is well known that protamine sulfate can sometimes cause anaphylactic reactions when administered after open heart surgery for reversal of total body heparinization. After a systematic review of literature on this aspect, Nybo M and colleagues concluded that it is quite rare and the occurrence has been documented at 0.69% in prospective studies and 0.19% in retrospective studies. Protamine sulfate can sometimes paradoxically increase the bleeding, especially after open heart surgery. McLaughlin and colleagues have reviewed this aspect and noted that high doses of protamine can cause increased bleeding and impaired platelet function. But this effect is not seen if the protamine-heparin ratio is less than 2.6:1. It may be noted that in most cases, only half neutralization of heparin is applied, so the chance of this occurrence should be extremely low. Protamine sulfate is not a good antidote for bleeding with low molecular weight heparins, as it cannot completely neutralize the anti-factor Xa activity of low molecular weight heparins. But a study by Van Ryn McKenna in rabbits showed that protamine neutralized blood loss with both LMWH and conventional heparin, though the ex vivo anti-factor Xa activity and antithrombin activity could not be fully neutralized. Walkentin and colleagues in a review has mentioned that protamine sulfate neutralizes only about 60% of the anti-factor Xa activity of low molecular weight heparins. In order to reduce the potentially serious adverse effects associated with use of protamine sulfate, he and associates have developed low molecular weight protamine by enzymatic digestion of protamine. In experimental studies, they have shown that low molecular weight protamine can neutralize the anticoagulant functions of heparin as well as low molecular weight heparin. Low molecular weight protamine has lower antigenicity, which could mean lower potential for allergic reactions. First set of references on protamine sulfate. Second set of references on protamine sulfate. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.